We're here, part 2 video for the mechanical restoration. Okay, things that we replace a fan clutch, water pump, actually behind there. We change all the hoses, air conditioning compressors, and new compressors. You have new fan belts. You got the alternator, we change it too. We change the valve cover gaskets, all the fuel hoses. We shield them for extra protection. Distributor caps, rotors, and inside the distributor there's a fan, not a fan belt, but there's a belt that drives the other rotor. So we change that too. Of course, we change the headlights. Here it looks really nice. So let's go on the other side. Same thing, we change spark plugs. Yeah, we got all that taken care of. So it looks really nice. I think at the end I'm going to put a clear coat on the engine. I don't know, I'm thinking. And the other video is going to be inside. I don't want to do it right now because I'm not done. I have a lot done, but not everything. But that's the wood is in place, and I still got to put the side right there. And I fixed the lumbar support. On this side I fixed already, and the picnic table is already installed. This one I got installed on this one because you see all this is broken, so I gotta change the whole thing out. And the pump is not working either, so almost done. We put LED on the roof lights, and on the side too. I don't know if you want them throughout, but to give you an idea, this is how they look, the regular light, and this is how the LED looks.